Hey you guys, so when I went to work and the Frito-Lay asked me to got something so special, the Frito-Lay boy gave me something new in factory. So you ready? Here it is, a new Chester's potato crisp with honey barbecue flavored. So the guy gave me 4 of them. Hear me? 4 Chester's potato crisp honey barbecues. It's like, oh my goodness. I don't know why, but they're so good. So I'm the only one to try it, so it's pretty amazing. So I gave one for my brother for this one. So let's go ahead and review this. So Chester's potato crisp honey barbecue. Key the same, $2.99 only, like all of our Chester's brands are. Hole in with the potato chip. And the other it has a bottle of barbecue with a honey thing. It's pretty amazing. On the back it says sweet, savory honey barbecue flavored in every airy crisps. Safely with that. On the other hand, it says find your next fave Chester's flavor. Chester's Carolina style barbecue flavored corn snack and Chester's cheddar jalapeno flavored popcorn. So as you may have heard, I did a review on that before with says 5 new snack reviews on YouTube. So I gave free 10 out of 10. That was before, but I did 5 new snack reviews on it. So for this one, I'm going to try it. So let's go pop this open. There. Look at that. A good potato chips. So let's get smell. Okay, it smells like regular potato crisp chip. Has a little good honey barbecue in it. Definitely it is. So let's grab one chip. Look at that. Honey barbecue seasoning, so let's give it a shot. Okay, aftertaste. It tastes like regular potato crisp chips. Has a little good of honey barbecue seasoned flavor, so it's not bad. I'm going to couple this. See how it's good. I'm telling you, these are really delightful on it. So I'll grab a last bite. Alright, these are really fantastic. So let's go with this rating. Chester's Potato Crisp Honey Barbecue, 10 out of 10. You know why? They are so delicious. So if you are interested in finding yourselves with a new Chester's Potato Crisp Honey Barbecue, go ahead and find the stores and buy yourselves a new one. And I hope you like this, and they're delightful. So I think that's about it. So 10 out of 10. And hope you enjoy this one. Tell me how you like this video. Just go ahead, hit the like button on Facebook. As always, thank you for watching on a special food reviews. See you next time.